Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to do volume trading with low fees in alpha trading. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, open Safari on your phone. In the search bar, type the website alpha123.uk and open it. On this website, you can check the stability of different tokens. It's very important to trade only stable tokens to reduce risk. Now look for a token that is marked as stable. As you can see, Lisa is currently stable, so this is a good option for trading. Once you've confirmed that, you can move on to the next step. Next, open the Binance app. Go to the market section, search for the Lisa token, and select it. Now you can start trading this token. When placing your buy and sell orders, make sure to keep a very small difference between the buying price and the selling price. This helps you generate trading volume while keeping the fees as low as possible. Also, make sure to trade using Forex. This will help you increase volume more efficiently. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more useful trading tips. Thanks for watching,